Hello once again, fellow hunters. MonkeyDude22 here with another Xbox tip, trick, or tutorial video for you. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to locate and use your add-on DLC for Monster Hunter World. Now, to clarify, this video is of the Xbox One version of the game, but similar steps can be used on other platforms. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to click that like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorial videos just like this. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure, of course, the content is installed on the console or PC that you're playing on. For Xbox One, we're going to head into My Games and Apps, then locate the game tile for Monster Hunter World. Once you've done that, highlight and press the menu button on your controller. From this menu here, go ahead and select Manage Content. Now, any DLC to which you own the license for will show up on this screen. If it's not already installed, just take a look in the Ready to Install section to install any additional DLC that you own. Once you see the content in the installed section, you're good to go. Now what you want to do is, of course, start up the game and locate your personal room. Once you've entered the room, look for the Palico Housekeeper cat near the big chest in the room, just to the left as you enter. Speak with him and you'll have the option to visit the training area as well as claim add-ons and bonuses. Select the Claim Add-ons option and your game will save and look for any available items that you have, including ones that you've already claimed. Just highlight and press the A button or X button on the PlayStation controller to claim each item available. Now once you've claimed your items, you're probably going to want to take a look at them or equip them, right? Well, let's start with the cosmetic armor first. To view and use the cosmetic armor, like the samurai outfit that comes with the deluxe pack for Monster Hunter World, head on over to the item box just to the right of the Housekeeper Palico. Once you select it, head on down to Change Appearance, and then Layered Armor Settings. From this menu, you'll be able to select the type of armor you want to use as well as the location. Use the Change All option to select each of the individual parts at a single time and make things a little bit easier. Now, some armor sets can be customized with different colors. You can change that by selecting the Color Presets option. Once you're done, select Finish and Yes to change your armor pigments. Now, to change the different makeup and hairstyles, follow the same steps by opening the item box and Change Appearance. Then select Change Appearance instead of Layered Armor Settings. In this customization screen here, you'll find any DLC hairstyles or makeup styles in this menu. So how about those gestures and stickers? Where do you find those at? Well, for these we need to visit the Communications tab. Do that by pressing the menu button on the controller anywhere in the game to bring up the in-game menu. Then tab on over to Communications, and you'll see some options here for gestures and stickers. The deluxe pack comes with the Sumo Slap, Zen, and Ninja Star gestures to round out the samurai costume, and the Sirloin and Monster Hunter All-Star stickers for your enjoyment. And that's going to about wrap it up. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, be sure to leave me a comment in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more. I'm MonkeyDude22, and I'll see you in the next video.